Welcome students once again. First I will link previous lecture data. In last lecture video we saw syllabus and started with network technology chapter. We did only one term, that is network. Today we will see its type, network technology from computer science 2, and this is our second lecture. We will see its type. This network types you already studied last year. I will give you brief idea so that you can recollect all the terms. Three types means there are three ways to create your network according to need. Okay, so there are three types of network. First is LAN, second is MAN, and third is WAN. Okay, this question may come in board for 3 marks. So you should know the difference between these three types. LAN means local area network, MAN means metropolitan area network, and WAN means wide area network. So I will give you first a hint that LAN locally use करने वाला network है, MAN is city to city use करने वाला network है, and WAN is wide. According to name wide, it is used from country to country. So according to name, area coverage is less here. In MAN, area coverage is in between LAN and WAN, and in WAN area coverage is maximum. Same thing is installation cost also. एरिया कवरेज कम है इसलिए इसका कॉस्ट कम है, एरिया कवरेज यहाँ वैन में ज़्यादा है इसलिए इसका कॉस्ट भी ज़्यादा है, एंड मैन के लिए कॉस्ट विल बी बिटवीन लैन का कॉस्ट एंड वैन का कॉस्ट. स्पीड इज मैक्सिमम here because obstacles are less. Area is less, obstacles are less, so speed is maximum in LAN. Speed is more than WAN but less than LAN in MAN, and speed is less in network because it is worldwide. So if you want to create LAN, it is applicable from building to building. In MAN, it is applicable from city to city, and in WAN, it is applicable from country to country. Such kind of thing, if you are able to see college lab, it is based on LAN. Cable TV network is based on MAN, and online booking, shopping, marketing, this is based on WAN. Okay, so this was your brief introduction for LAN, MAN, and WAN. So if you want to create any network, suppose, so in small scale you will first select LAN. Clear? So if you selected LAN, what will be your next thing? कि अगर आपको LAN create करना है from building to building और within the same building, आप next step क्या लोगे? Within a friend circle you created network, so next step will be the topology. Next term is topology, means in which pattern you are connecting your computers, means interconnecting the nodes in a network with certain fixed type. Means interconnection of node means here computer. Number of ways are there, that is star topology, ring topology, and bus topology. These are the three patterns to create LAN. We will see star first. As the name suggests, structure is like star. See here, structure will look like star, where one server is at the center and this number of devices are client PC. This is two-way process, means what? Client PC can send data to server and server can send data again to client. So it is two-way. Suppose in this network, if one client PC fails, suppose this PC fails, so there is no problem in this network. Network will continue and it will work. But if this server fails, this is the main PC, if this network will fail, network जिसने मेंटेन किया है, अगर वो PC फेल हो जाता है जिसके थ्रू ये सारे डिवाइसेस कनेक्ट हैं, तो क्या हो जाएगा, दिस नेटवर्क विल स्टॉप. क्लियर? सो दिस इज योर स्टार टोपोलॉजी. Next is ring topology. So according to the name, structure will be like ring. You can see here A, B, C, D number of pieces are connected and it will be in the form of ring. Server is not centrally located here. Maybe server will be A, B, C, any one PC will be server, and this is one way. If you can see the flow of message, it is one way. From A, message will go to B only, it can't go to D. So it is one way, and message is passed in the form of token. There will be a form of token, free token will move, and based on that message will be passed from A to B, B to C, C to D, or D to A. In this ring, if any one PC fails, suppose if you want to transfer data from A to C, and if B fails, network will stop. So there will be no transfer of data and system will fail. So this technology or this topology to create network is rarely used. Clear? So till now you saw star topology and ring topology. Which one is best? According to me, star is best, and you can also go through. So you will get that star is best. Third one, last one is bus topology. In this, all the PCs are connected within a network, and all PCs A, B, C, D, E, these PCs are of same kind. Okay, it means all PCs are of same type, in which every PC is efficient. Every PC is efficient to do the work. So this is also known as multi-point or multi-drop topology. Means through the multiple point we can pass the data, and if some PC or any one PC will drop or it fails, then two network will continue. Here if A fails, B fails, multi drop, more than one multi drop. If A and B fails, then two network will continue. Multi point means through the multiple points we can continue the network. This is bidirectional process. We can send data from A to D, D to A, anywhere you want. It is faster than star and ring topology. Breakdown or failure of any node doesn't affect the network. Any one PC if fails, there is no effect on network anyhow. And this is widely used, maximum used topology. So which one is best? Bus topology is best. Okay. So now you finalized your network type, that is LAN. Next thing, you finalize the pattern, that in which pattern you want to create your network. So you, according to me, if you want to create network from building to building, you will finalize star topology according to me. But you can tell me that which one is best according to you. So according to cost and everything, star topology is best. So based on this, next we will see which is the next step to create the network. So next step is physical transmission media characteristics, that which are the properties are important now to think. Okay, so this will be your next topic. This is all about this lecture. If any doubt, please mention in comment. Thank you class.